GradeLab AI is one of the newest AI tools that just dropped, and it promises to revolutionize how we handle a variety of digital tasks. But is it really as good as it sounds? In this video, we'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about GradeLab AI before you dive in. Stick around, because I'll also be sharing some exclusive insights into what makes it stand out, and if it's truly the best AI software for your needs. First off, GradeLab AI is designed to simplify and enhance your workflow. Whether you're working on content creation, marketing, or data analysis, this tool uses AI to streamline processes and improve productivity. It integrates smoothly into your current system and can save you hours of tedious work, which is a huge plus. One of the standout features of GradeLab AI is its adaptability. This isn't just another one-size-fits-all software. GradeLab has customizable options that cater to various industries, meaning you're not locked into a rigid template. If you're in marketing, for instance, you can tailor the software to handle copywriting, SEO, or even predictive analytics, all depending on your needs. The versatility here is crucial for anyone serious about leveraging AI to their advantage. Another impressive aspect is its real-time learning capability. GradeLab AI doesn't just rely on static data or algorithms. It learns from the information you input and adjusts its responses accordingly. This is perfect for people who need a tool that's always improving and refining its output. Now let's talk about the ease of use. A lot of AI tools can be intimidating or have steep learning curves, but GradeLab AI is incredibly user-friendly with a simple interface that anyone, regardless of technical skill, can pick up quickly. Even if you're new to AI software, you'll find it intuitive to navigate, which is a huge benefit for non-technical users. One thing that really caught my attention is how GradeLab AI handles data privacy. In today's world, protecting your data is crucial, and this software takes that seriously. It has built-in security protocols to ensure that your data stays safe, which is a massive relief for businesses and individuals who are worried about online security threats. GradeLab AI also offers real-time support, something that can make or break a software tool for me. If you run into any issues, the customer service team is readily available to help you out, making your experience a lot smoother. No waiting for hours for a response, just quick, efficient support when you need it. But what truly sets GradeLab AI apart is its pricing. While many AI tools come with hefty subscription fees, GradeLab offers an affordable model, and you can even try it for free. Yes, you heard that right. If you click the first link in the description below, you can start using GradeLab AI for free. It's a great way to test out the software and see if it fits your needs without any commitment upfront. Now, before you make up your mind, there's one last thing to know. GradeLab AI is still evolving. With continuous updates and improvements, this tool is likely to get even better over time. So, if you're looking for cutting-edge AI software, GradeLab could be exactly what you're looking for, especially considering its growing capabilities and constant development. And if you're wondering whether it's right for you, I've tried thousands of AI software tools in my career, and after testing GradeLab AI, I can confidently say it's one of the most exciting new releases on the market. You can check out my recommended AI software list in the description below and get started with some of the best tools that I've personally tested and recommend. So, is GradeLab AI the best just released AI software? For many, it might just be. If you want to dive deeper, check out the link below for your free trial.